about 20, 21 years back when I really started my career, a lot of decision making that time was gut based, and research practices were sample based, and a lot of data was not available. But significant amount of changes have happened over the last 5 to 7 years. For example, data is available for almost everything. I mean, data is the new oil. Data allows us interpretation. Data allows us decision making these days. The beauty is that data of all types is available, and it's easily accessible. Right up to the last pin code, the gender, to preferences, choices, etc. And I think everything is quickly available to take decisions. And data not only helps with insights, but it also enables decision making. And so more and more organizations really rely on fact-based data insights in order to ensure that they get the competitive advantage that they're looking out for. Coming back to your question, yes, of course, it is very important that organizations should have a data-centric approach before embarking on any marketing journey. So data is a continuous process, and that's what I feel. I mean, trends change very fast. What was important yesterday is not really important today. It's all lost its relevance. And so too much of data is available, and with too much of data comes too many complications. I feel one needs to have some basic thumb rules, high-level benchmarks in place. Rather than looking at every element of data and confusing yourself, it is very important that you look at meaningful data. You need to filter a lot of data out to actually get the relevant ones which can help you in decision making. Because if data is available so freely and so much of data is available, you're obviously going to get confused with a lot of it. So in my view, I think the biggest challenge is to keep a view of the kind of data you're looking at. And while you're doing that, it's also very important that you have a view on the data governance practices. You have a view on avoiding unethical use of data. I mean, there are so many elements of data that one needs to look at. You should be ensuring that data doesn't land up in wrong hands. The data security part is very important. So while data provides a lot of enablement, I also feel it also provides a challenging environment for one to navigate through our data when while taking decisions. At the same time, one needs to be very responsible since data also is prone to used illegally or in a manner which it should not be used. So yeah, I mean, it brings both empowerment as well as responsibility while one handles a lot of data. Again, you have a huge amount of data, and data is growing at a phenomenal pace. And all of the data is, and there is a lot of private data which is available with people. While consumers today are scared about how organizations are using their data in order to understand their preferences, their choices, their buying history and stuff like that. Even the governments are really worried. We've seen, India banning some very, very well-known apps recently. Essentially, the underlying theme was data. And so one has to understand that, look, the regulatory landscape is changing very fast. Organizations should be sensitive towards its consumers' data or prospect data that they hold. They have to put in, a lot of regulatory framework. They have to keep a view on the regulatory framework. They have to put in a lot of internal frameworks to ensure that data privacy is adhered to. They understand the sensitivity of the information that resides with them. Also, one needs to be cognizant of the fact that you don't need to cross a certain, ethical, moral boundary when it comes to usage of data in an unwarranted fashion. In conclusion, I would like to say that personal data protection is becoming a very, very highly debated topic. On an ongoing basis, the governments are looking at it, and at some point in time, we will have robust data protection laws. Till that happens, organizations should be cognizant of the fact that they have a moral responsibility of all the critical information that they hold about their consumers and their prospects. And I think there should be boundaries which ensure that they are protecting data, fundamental information about any individual that they hold. So they need to take essential steps in order to strengthen the frameworks and ensure that sensitive data is protected. They are in compliance with the laws of the land.